reaching the pinnacle of the crusher manufacturing, ushering in a new chapter of a plastic recycling. Worbit. Amid civilizational transformations, plastics have been widely used due to their unique advantages. However, plastic waste accumulation pressures the environment, making recycling and reuse inevitable for protecting the planet. Worbit, a rapidly rising professional enterprise in this environmental campaign, specializes in research and manufacturing of plastic recycling machinery, striving for a greener planet. Founded in Taizhou, Zhejiang in the 1990s, Worbit brings over 30 years of expertise in plastic crushing machinery. As a technology-driven enterprise, we integrate design, R&D, manufacturing, and sales. With superior technology and constant innovation, we enjoy a strong industry reputation. ISO 9001, certified and backed by dozens of patents. All our products are certified with the EUCE standard and are exported worldwide. With over 30 years of machinery manufacturing experience, Worbit adopts advanced CNC, machining, and high-precision equipment. Committed to excellence in production and quality control, we innovate with top industry talents and provide premium plastic recycling equipment. Our outstanding industrial manufacturing has earned wide recognition from customers. Worbit is a professional provider in plastic recycling, focusing on customer and market needs to solve industrial challenges. We offer a full product range and tailored solutions for diverse applications. Our main products include heavy-duty crushes, pallet, profile crushers, single shaft and double shaft shredders, double roller film shredders, and large pipe shredders. We also offer complete recycling systems, such as PE, rigid material washing lines, PE, film recycling lines, pelletizing systems with auxiliaries and tire recycling lines. Our products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions, such as Europe, the US, Southeast Asia, winning long-term trust and partnerships worldwide. At Worbit, brand value lies not just in product, but in service. We have a professional sales and after-sales team to support you throughout the process. From consultation and design to installation, commissioning, operation, and maintenance, we handle every detail with care. Customer-focused, we respond quickly with professional and practical solutions, letting every customer feel Worbit's sincerity and professionalism. Looking ahead, we believe that protecting nature means creating lasting value. Worbit actively responds to the call of our times, committed to advancing high-quality plastic recycling. We will continue to move forward with determination, driving innovation and breakthroughs and contributing to a circular, low-carbon future. Together with partners across the globe, we are shaping a cleaner, more sustainable world. Worbit. Green innovation, shared future.